I'm starting to apply another course of the split shakes. This would be the third layer, and I've got another layer of this tar paper that, as you can see, overlaps over the top of the previous layer, and then this layer will have a 7-inch exposure. I've made some marks, pencil marks at 7 inches, so I know pretty much where to place that shake. And what I want to leave this gap here needs to be covered, so I want to space here 3/4 of an inch or so away from this separation here, so that I can cover that with another shake. So I don't want to have a situation where the next layer actually goes over that ends at the same place as the previous layer. And then I used 2 nails per shake. This first one I try to line up also for about 1.5 inches overlap. And that looks about right. And then I know that these ribs are 7 inches apart, so I know that I'm going to need to nail somewhere about up here where my finger is to hit that rib. Let me get a couple nails here and see how that goes. Now I have to be a little bit careful that I don't go too far out. I just hit it, that one right there. So now I have to select one that's wide enough to cover these 2 gaps. Maybe, I'm not sure that's, yeah, that'll do. That should work. And I'm looking at the pencil mark for my 7-inch gap. I want to check a dimension here. I think it's going to be about 25 inches. I'm hitting it about 25 3/4, so I'm pretty good there at that location. So now I need a wide one, a very wide one, or I need a skinny one. I'll just see about this. That should work okay. Okay, that's kind of the way this works. And there'll be several days of going all the way up to the top there. And then at the top, there's a different kind of shake that covers the peak.